Alright, well, something a bit different this weekend. Here we are at the Timber Tools and Artisan Show in Sydney at Rosehill Racecourse. And you can probably already hear behind me some of the demos have just started. It's 10 AM. Apologies for being a bit quiet on the channel recently, but there's been a reason for that. Yeah, that's a 70% cut through the rear tendon of my left thumb, which had absolutely nothing to do with woodwork. It was done at work with a box cutter. So at least on workers' compo. But for the moment, I've been off the tools, and I'm going to be that way for another week or so, sadly, so no videos, but let's take a quick tour through here and see what we can find. Carbotech, Craig, and a few of my other favourite brands are in show, and maybe a few other YouTube celebrities too, so we'll go try and hunt them down. Well, this is pretty cool. I actually saw this chair in Australian Wood Review. They're students' projects from this year's HSC, and it's really amazing actually seeing something that you spotted in a magazine come to life. I tell you what, just walking around the folks here, the level of work of these students is far beyond what I'll probably ever achieve in my lifetime and what most people will. It's just absolutely amazing, the level of skill that they've got. Credit to their teachers or two. I think these are all freshwater projects. Absolutely spectacular. More student work. Check out this bench. You'd be scared to dint it. Absolutely beautiful. Riley Irvine. Shout out, mate. That is fantastic.
Knowing it's not going to catch an edge and jump, but I can still get in and scallop out my bowls as well. And because it doesn't cut on that outside edge, with total confidence I can come down the side of my bowl knowing I'm not going to blow through there.
Bit of YouTube inception here. I'm currently stalking Dave Stanton, who is filming live here at the woodworking show. I just noticed him filming his channel live. This is obviously not going to go live. But let's go see if we can interrupt him slightly and catch the YouTube man filming live while I film for YouTube,
there
not live.
Go. There's another guy.
G'day, Dave.
How you doing?
James from Fixit Fingers Woodworking. How you going,
I'm
mate?
very, very well. Hello, everybody there. You're not going to see me because you're against the glass.
I'm against glass. That's better.
There you go. That's better.
There you go. Well, this man's a bit of a champion of the Australian woodworking scene on YouTube.
I do a little bit, that's all.
He is. He's going live. I'm not brave enough to go live, so this will go up on my channel a little bit later, but just wanted to pop over and say hello, mate. How you going?
I'm very well. Yeah, enjoying the show very well.
It's amazing. This is my first one.
Is it?
Yeah, it's great.
It's a buzz.
Yeah, I'll come and chat you at the bench and let you do what you're doing.
Sounds great.
See you later, mate.
Okay.
Bye.
See you later.
How good was that? All right, guys. See what else we can find. Welcome to Flatland. Check these out. Custom made Makitas. Got to order them from Japan, but they are awesome. I like the blue one. Well, I couldn't not come and visit the Craig exhibit, and they've got all the toys out here on display. Although it looks like they've had quite a successful show because there's almost nothing left on the shelves. I think I've got a McCraig kit that I need for the moment, but over here is the Saw Stop, and at about 12:30 they're going to do a demo, so we'll come and film that too, I hope. I missed the bloody Saw Stop demo. I only copped it right at the end, so I was too busy talking to Dave again. Well, that's it from the show today. I've had a really great time. Spent a couple of hours here wandering around. Managed not to buy anything, which is lovely. As we said, due to certain circumstances currently outside my control, probably won't have a video up for a week or two, unfortunately. But it's been really good fun here at the Timber Tools and Artisan Show at Sydney, and I'll catch you next week.